In Lesson 17, we discussed advanced pricing structure. Now let us understand the tax components that complete the ticket. Many professionals calculate the base fare correctly, but errors happen in taxes and surcharges. This is the golden formula. Every ticket follows this structure. Base fare is constructed in NUC. It follows MPM, TPM, HIP, and CTM checks. For example, 650 NUC converted using ROE. This gives the base fare in local currency. YQ and YR are not a government tax. It is a carrier-imposed surcharge. The base fare is 62,000, but the critical element here is the YQ tax, which stands at 42,000. While YQ usually represents fuel surcharges, YR is often used for aviation insurance or reservation system fees. Both are carrier-imposed. That means these charges are added by the airline, not by the government. These are government or airport charges imposed by government or local authorities. RG applies on departure from Pakistan. XF is US Passenger Facility Charge. It is collected per airport. Tickets only have limited tax boxes. If a journey has too many taxes, they are grouped together under the XT code. Always check the XT breakdown. Watch out for exemptions. Infants without a seat and transit passengers staying under 24 hours are often exempt from major departure taxes. This is how the final ticket amount is calculated. Never classify YQ and YR as a government tax. Remember, government taxes are calculated based on the date the ticket is issued, not the day the passenger flies. In refund cases, every component must be checked individually. Unused sector fare calculated separately. YQ refund depends on the unused sector, fare rule, and airline policy. Some taxes are refundable. Some are not. Incorrect tax handling leads to agency debit memos. Base fare and YQ are airline revenue. Taxes are not. In exams, always separate base fare, YQ, and taxes clearly. Understand the structure. Apply it accurately. In our next lesson 19, we will apply this knowledge to ticket reissue. See you in lesson 19. Keep practicing professional ticket pricing.